Okay, welcome back, and now let's do part 2 of question 5 from the May 2014 Time Zone 1 paper 4, and let's have a look at this question here. Let's change flavour. Let's go red flavour. All right. Okay. So work out the scale on the map in the form of 1 to n. Okay. So we're going to work out a scale in which anything is in comparison to something something else. So the real scale here in real terms. So we know at the moment that it's 2 centimeters is equivalent to 3 kilometers. Okay, we know that, and we know that because it's written here. Okay, 2 centimeters is equal to 3 kilometers. So what we're going to do is, what we'll put it into is, we'll put these into the same terms here. So let's simplify this. Well, what we do know from there, let's put this all into centimeters. Okay, so 2 centimeters. Okay. How many centimeters is 3 kilometers? Well, I know that there are 1,000 meters in a kilometre, and I also know that there are 100 centimeters in a metre. So 2 centimeters. So now we're both in centimeters, is equal to 300,000. 300,000 centimetres in real life, according to this scale. Okay, but we've been asked to have it in 1 too, so we're just going to divide both sides by 1. So we should have 1 to 150,000. Okay. All right, now we're up to the last part, part E, and part E is our construction part of the question. All right, so a boat B. All right, so we've got a new term here. Before we just had we've got S, we've got a ship, we've got a port, and we've got a lighthouse. Now we have a boat somewhere. Okay, and we've been given instructions to figure out where that boat is. All right, now the boat B is equidistant from S and L. Okay, so S and L, let's have a look at S and L. So we're looking, the boat is equidistant from S, this is S here, and L here. So it's somewhere directly in the middle of these two. And the way we can figure that out is we can construct a perpendicular bisector, okay, which will give us a line which will remain, any point on that line will remain equidistant between those 2 points. So you're going to need your set of compasses. So where's my tool here? So look, there's my compass tool. Let's figure this one out. All right, and I might, we'll use that there. Okay, we might switch that around. Let's start at the bottom here, and we're going to go on point L. Now let me just give me some space so I can see where L is. There it is there. All right. So let's use this compass. So I'm going to put the pointy end of my compass here. Okay, I'm going to open up my compass. Now I want to open it up so that it is past, so that when I draw my arc, that it's past the halfway point of my line. It needs to be past halfway. Okay, so I'm guessing that's about halfway there. And let's try and draw an arc. All right, there's an arc. Ooh, nice arc. Okay, there's one arc there, and it's past the halfway point from the end to the other end. All right. Now let's move that, leaving it the same. Again, I'm going to just see where the end of this line is. There it is there. Again, we're going to leave it the same distance apart. I'm going to put the pointy end on the other end of the line, about there, okay? And I'm going to draw another arc. Ooh, just allowed myself just enough room. So, I'll just move that back. Okay, I think we're pretty good there. Okay, so we've used our compass, all right, and we've got, we're going to pull out our ruler now. So let's grab a ruler. And we're going to use those two lines here, all right, those 2 points. Let's have to be very careful, all right. So we're going to use those 2 points to draw our perpendicular line. So just need to get this ruler nice and straight. So between there and there, might just go just a touch more. And bring this down there. There we go. All right, and now we're using those 2 points here, we're going to draw ourselves a straight line. So using your ruler between those 2 points. Okay, let's try that again. Okay. All right, let's get a look at our line here. And we'll go from here. Right. Okay, we're having some technological difficulties here, but that's all right. It's not going to stop us. Okay. Let's put these here. Cut that. Just like in class, guys. All right. Cut. Okay, and move that back up. There we go, perfect. And then we'll try draw our line. I'm going to make that line a little bit thinner. Okay, I'm going to go from here across. Excellent. All right. So now that line represents, the black line represents equidistant points from S and L, okay? So anywhere along that line is going to be equidistant. All right, and also is equidistant from the lines PS and SL. All right. So we're looking for another line, another line which is equidistant between these 2 lines here. So SL and SP. And for that, what we're going to do is we're going to make a angle bisector. Okay. So to make an angle bisector, we just might bring that in here. Okay. And we're going to, I might change the colour of the pen here so we can see something a bit different. Let's make that purple. Okay, fantastic. And we're going to draw a line across here. Okay, and then we'll draw a line across there. Now we're going to take our pointy bit and put it where that arc crosses our lines, and then we're going to do another arc here. Okay, take it to here, and then we're going to draw another arc here. Okay, using the point of where those 2 lines intersect, we're going to grab our ruler again. Okay, let's bring our ruler out here. Okay, let's try it this way. There we go. Fantastic. Always good fun. Okay. And we're going to draw a straight line from the middle of our angle here through to those lines. Okay. So those lines intersect. Right. Let's move that out there and then move it in a bit closer. Okay. Let's go. We'll go for a thin black line here to match the other one. Fantastic. Okay, from the point here. And then we have it. So we've got our perpendicular bisector here, and we've got our angle bisector, and at the point of where they intersect, and let's have a nice orangey flavour here, at the point where they intersect, which is here, this is where our boat is going to be. Okay. If you need any further clarification or there's any other questions that you would like me to do work solutions for, please comment down below, and thanks for watching.